All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon's Art. Okay, we have David here, always highly appreciated when it comes with new songs. And this one, where did it go wrong? Question maybe you ask sometimes in life, and that's what David does as well. Let's go into his song here, and we have three chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. That's the A minor 7, the G6, and the C major 7. So we're gonna do that all with the capo on first. That's the best setup for us. And yeah, three chords. Let's start with those. The A minor 7, we're gonna have an added note here of the G note, 3rd fret E string. So the chord looks like this: open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and the added 3rd E. Right, next chord, the G6, goes like 3rd fret on E string. And with that finger, I'm using my mid finger, I'm muting the next A. So I'm just leaning on top of it. Mute it like that. And then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then finally we have the C major 7, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so like I said, that is the order of the chords. They go like this through the entire song, and we have a strumming that is very, very simple, guys. So this song is, yeah, like for babies, if you wanna like have some kind of a difficulty explained there. Very, very easy. So we're gonna play down, down, clap, down. That's it. So grab the A minor 7. That is one round, okay? So down, down, clap, down. Okay? 2 rounds there, and that's what you're gonna do for A minor 7. You're gonna do that as well for the next G6 chord. Okay, so 2 times. And then the C major 4 times. Yeah, so it hardly can be easier than this. I mean, that's A minor 7, basically 2 fingers. We're gonna add 1 extra finger to it down there on the 3rd fret E string, and then we have this G6 chord, pretty easy as well, and then C major like that. So perfect beginner song from David. Where did it go wrong? You play 2 times on A minor, 2 times on G6, and 4 times on the C major with that simple strumming pattern. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful for you, then support me here at Gordon Guitar and be back for next tutorial. Until then, play tuned.